A positive mindset is the only essential piece of gear that you need when you start running, but a great pair of running shoes doesn't hurt either. I'm Gabriele Grunewald. I'm a professional middle distance track and field runner. I rotate my running shoes a little bit. There are days of the week that are long runs, there's days of the week that are easy runs, and then there's some long workouts and some short workouts. I primarily train in the Launches and the Ghosts by Brooks, but I like to, when I run fast workouts, I like to move into any type of running flat. My favorite day of the week is Spike Day. Those are days that are usually on the track, days when I get to work on my top end speed. I think that the most important journey in running is the one against yourself and with yourself, and focusing on improving what you can do on a day-to-day basis and just improving a little bit at a time. It's enough.